Hello my dear viewers, welcome back. In this video we are going to study the class 5 EVS chapter number 1 Living World. I have put all the notes, question answers of all the chapters of EVS in my playlist. You can check from there. In this lesson we will study the notes of chapter 1 Living World. In the following chart, some components of the environment as well as some of the living characters are given. Read carefully, and if in each of the component the characteristics is given in front of them, right mark. If these characteristics are not found, mark wrong mark. Okay, so see here you can see groups, boxes. In one, components of the environment is there, and in the other boxes, growth, eating food, movement, respiration, excretion, response to stimuli, and reproduction is there. And some of the examples are given. Components which are present in the environment are given. Here are the answers for this. See here: mice, mango, brick, clock, butterfly, man, frog, paper, mobile. For all this you have to put right mark and you have to put wrong mark if they will not growth, feeding, movement, breathing, excretion, response, and reproduction. Okay, here are the answers. Check carefully and put right or wrong mark. Identify them as living or non-living. Put right sign in front of the correct choice. See here some of the components of environment are there. Whether they are living or non-living, you have to see and put right mark. Okay, birds, living beings; balloon, non-living; water, non-living; mango tree, living; vehicle, non-living; pen, non-living. Okay, identify the picture and write here. You can see the picture here, right? What is this? This is respiratory system. Then write the important works they do. Organisms: elephant, bullock, dog. What work they do? Elephant, tourism, magnets, transportation, tracking, and hunting. Okay, now observe the figure. 4 important components needed to produce food by the plants are given. Which for what is given below? Join the statements correctly. See here children, can you see here? Yes, so this is the picture of a plant making food. Okay, now you can answer solar energy in green leaf. Sun. Solar energy from where do we get? From sun. Water and minerals from soil. Carbon dioxide from atmosphere, and chlorophyll from green leaf. Okay, now write the uses of glucose. It is used in respiration to release for use by the plant cell. Oxygen, its major use in steel production, for example in the Bessemer process. Next, observe the figures below. These are plants which do not prepare food in plant kingdom. Then how do they obtain food? See here, you can see the pictures. They are Drosera, Nepenthes, and Utriolaria plant depend on insect for their food. These are insectivorous plants. Okay, now define herbivore. What are herbivore? Animals those eat only plants and plant product. Carnivore animal those who live eating other animals. Omnivore animals those who eat both plants and animals as their food. Now next question, with the help of this figure list herbivore, carnivore, and omnivore in the chart given below. You can see here different types of animals. Now we have to write which is herbivore, carnivore, and omnivore. Herbivore: elephant, parrot, rabbit. Carnivore: lion, tiger, cat, fox, owl. Omnivore: bear, dog. Okay, now observe the given figures below here. These pictures show the growth of the particular organism. In every picture there is an increase in height, width, and weight. This is called growth. Now true or false according to the growth. Okay, all organisms are small at the time of birth, later acquire definite height and weight. True. Growth takes place rapidly in 1 or 2 days. False. Plant growth is observed at its stem tip or stem width by the size of the stem. False. Organisms continue their generation by reproduction. True. In environment, other organisms get food by reproduction. False. Reproduction is seen only in animals. False. There will not be any danger in environment by over reproduction of a single organism. True. Next, observe this picture. Which living characteristics these indicate? See here, can you see the different pictures? Now all are related to the movements. Movement is the living character of specially of animals. Can you see everyone is moving, right? Yes. Now some animal names are given below. Write here their organ for movement. Man, walking; eagle, no, not eagle, fish, swimming; kangaroo or crawl, walking; bat, flying. Okay, Now discuss in group why animals move and write them in the space. Animals move from one place to another. They have special organ for this. Now given below are certain statements related to reproduction. Mark right if statements are correct, wrong if wrong. Okay. Now statement is number 1, organisms continue their generation by reproduction. Correct. In environment, other organisms get food by reproduction. Wrong. In environment, other organisms cannot get food by reproduction. Reproduction is seen only in animals. Wrong. Reproduction is seen not only in animals but also in plants. There will not be in danger in environment by over reproduction of single organisms. Correct. Next question. List the plants that reproduce through seeds or stem. Plant that reproduce through seeds: soyabean, mangoes, carrots. Plant that reproduce through stems: rose plant, onion, potato. Next question. Reproduction of plant is advantageous to animals including man in many ways. Yes, it is advantageous. Reproduction of plant advantage. The time taken is short for this type of reproduction. Change of variation is less. Mutation is less frequent. Next question. Observe the figures how organisms respond to stimuli. Can you see here pictures? Yes, this is touch me not plant and here is a scorpion. Folding of leaves when touched in touch me not plant. Stinking of scorpion when some external thing touches it. Flower of sunflower plant turning in the direction of sun. This way organisms respond to stimuli. Next, write the uses of plants given below. Number 1, annuals. Annuals that normally have an extended blooming period, sweet scented. Next, biennials. Garden, store plant breeding. Perennials, flower beds and herb gardens. So this is all about your class 5 EVS chapter 1 living world. As I have told you, I have put all the lessons, question answers from lesson number 1 to lesson number 14 of class 5 in the playlist of my channel. You can easily get from there, and thanks for watching.